Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, before we even get started with today's video, can anyone tell that I am excited for fall? Can anyone tell? I have a fall background on my computer. I already have skulls and pumpkins on my desk. And I know it's July, but it's the last day of July. Cut me a break. So, for today's video, now that I am well rested from multiple concerts last week, as well as writing a crap ton of papers for my classes this semester, we're gonna go back in with a fun video. These are always my favorites to do, just because everyone seems to really like them a lot. I'm gonna take my bracelets off because they're making a lot of noise today. But that is another Stitch Fix video. Now, if you watched my last Stitch Fix video, that was like the first bust I've ever had from a Stitch Fix that I filmed. Like my first few Stitch Fixes were kind of busts just because my stylist was trying to figure me out. But ever since then, they've all been like 5 for 5 until the last month, which was like 1 for 5. We kind of regrouped. We took it as a learning experience, what I liked, what I didn't like. Also, real fast, this isn't real. I'm just testing it out because I really like it, but it's not real, so calm down. Don't ask me if I got it pierced, because I didn't. What was I saying? Oh, so my stylist, Amba D, and I kind of took it as a learning experience, what I like, what I don't like. We really found out what looks good and what doesn't look good on me. So, we're now here with, is this technically July? Because I think last one was July. So is this August? I don't even know what to call it anymore. Maybe I should just call them numbers now instead of like months. But yeah, so, giving you a heads up that I am keeping everything because there was only one item where I was just kind of like, I don't know, because it's kind of similar to that I got last month, but not. But I like how it looked on me. And that's what matters. Doesn't matter what others think it looks on me, words Gretchen use them. It just matters how I feel about how they look on me. So, I'm keeping all 5. I should probably go ahead and go through the checkout process since that was supposed to happen yesterday. But yeah, I'm keeping them, spoiler alert. All right, well since I'm keeping them, I guess I can toss this. And Amba D was so great about my feedback on this, because I mean, you know, we've been 5 for 5. And so just for all of a sudden it to not have been that way last fix, I looked at it positively, she looked at it positively, and so she even said that in her note to me. I'm not gonna take the time to read it, but we took it as a positive thing. So anyway, this month she sent me, what did she send me? She sent me a dress, a pair of shorts, and 3 tops. 1 sleeveless, 1 cold shoulder. Well, actually, technically 2 are cold shoulder, so. And I do think, I think I told her last month that this was gonna be my last like fallish, it's on my brain. This is my last summerish box before we start incorporating some fall things, because not only am I more than ready for fall, but you know, by the time my next box gets here, it'll be the end of August, so might as well start thinking about fall. Always on my mind. All right, so the first item, let's do the shorts, since these are probably gonna be the last shorts that I get this year. All right, so these shorts are, bam, white. Now, you wouldn't think white would look good on someone who is pale and pasty like myself, but they're not that bad, actually. I really like white shorts. I have 1 pair of white shorts, but they're not a good quality one. No offense, Target. But they're not like nice ones. They're like an everyday one, where these are more of a nice date night going out with friends type of shorts. Some of you will know what I mean. Some of you will be like, what the fuck? Why do you have different shorts for different events? Just how I am. So anyway, these are just a nice pair of white shorts. They are by Market and Spruce, which I'm pretty sure is my favorite company. Next to 41 Hawthorne from Stitch Fix. Their stuff just always feels so comfortable and just so good. I love these. They're size 4. I mean, they're just white shorts. What else can you say about them? All right, so for them, they are called the Lorraine short, and they are $54, which to me is pretty good for a pair of shorts. Pair of good shorts, because people are always like, why do you spend so much money on clothes? Because if they are good quality clothes, I don't mind spending money. That's all there is to it, so don't come at me saying, why do you spend so much money? My freaking money, I'll spend whatever I want. All right, so next up in the box, we have, this is the one top that I was a little about, just because it reminded me a lot of 2 of the tops from my last fix, but at the same time not. And that's this cold shoulder top. Now, I mentioned before that when I do cold shoulder tops, oops, the sleeve's not out, I like a little bit of a sleeve. You see what I mean? So you've got the cold shoulder aspect, but you also kind of get a sleeve. That's what I like when I get cold shoulder tops. So this one, really pretty. And I mentioned in last fix that I love floral print, but I don't like in your face floral print. And this one is a nice, just blue and red floral print. It also has like some lace down here, which I'm a sucker for. I'm a sucker for any kind of lace or crocheting or whatever the hell you want to call it. I call it lace. So it is just a cold shoulder top. It's got like the spaghetti straps. It has a little bit of a sleeve. It is very flowy. And this is a size small. At first, I thought that was gonna be too big just looking at it, but it's only this part that's really flowy and billowy. But when you get underneath to the lace area, which is the part actually against your skin, it's a little bit more fitting. So that's why she sent me a small instead of an extra small. But this is by Skies Are Blue, which I'm learning is another company that I really like from Stitch Fix. Just not much as Marketing Spruce and 41 Hawthorne. But this is it is Skies Are Blue, Langlock cold shoulder top, size small, $54. Again, I think that's reasonable. Probably be my last cold shoulder top for the year. All right. Next up, we have my sleeveless top, which this one is an extra small because it seems like it runs big. So this is an extra small top. It is by the brand THML, which I don't have any by that brand, so my first go at it. But it is this really cute sleeveless top. It is navy, and it's got this really pretty detailing. Like when I saw the picture, because I cheat and I go online as soon as it says that my fix is shipped. So I cheat, and I was afraid that this was beading. Like the picture, it looked like beading. And I'm not a huge fan of beading, but it's not, it's actual like stitching. But as you can see, it's stitching, and it also just has like these really cute flower type details there. And even on the back side, which it's a V-neck, but it's also V-neck in the back, it's got a little bit of the same as well as the little floral thing. It is really comfy. It's got some stitching down at the bottom as well. Very comfy. Again, this is an extra small. It's pretty billowy, so if you like this top, it definitely size down if you ask for it. But this is, oh, it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. Aren't they all though, technically? So this top is by THML. It is the Klea 3D embroidery knit top in extra small, $54. But I just noticed that out of my 5 items, all but one are $55. And did you plan that? Because that's kind of genius. That's funny, actually. But anyway, yeah, so that's this top. Next up is probably my favorite item in this box. And if you're all about comfort, you're gonna want this top. So this is also, I think this is also by Marketing Spruce. Yes, it is. So once again, it won double points for me there. This is it's a cold shoulder-esque top. It is so comfy. It is just dark gray, 3/4 sleeve length, comfy butt top. Now, $54 for this may be a little much, but because I fell in love with it, like hardcore, when I put it on, sure, I'll pay $54 for it. But it's this, again, cold shoulder top. I love that it offers like these various little straps, but I also love the length because I feel like this is a good transition into early fall type of top. I'm obsessed with this, and I will be wearing the crap out of this. So Amber D, thank you so much for sending me this because I'm pretty sure it's my new favorite top. But yeah, so this is Marketing Spruce Jewelia cold shoulder, I'm gonna say cotton top because it got cut off, in dark gray, size small, $54. And I'm obsessed with this. So my last item is a dress, and it's the only thing that's not $54 in this box. It is $74, so we had a theme of ending in 4. And it's a dress, it is a black dress, and it's really pretty. Like, just looking at it, it looks a little convoluted, and I gotta say, putting it on and taking it off is a little bit of a bear. Just because it is an open shoulder, it's kind of hard to see, but you'll see in the video of me wearing it what I mean by an open shoulder. But it's open here, but it's a really nice length dress as well. It comes above the knees, really nice detailing. It's hard to show you, like I can show you that, but just wait for the, watch me wear it, because that's where it's really gonna shine. But it's a very comfortable dress. very comfortable. Like I said, this one is $74. It is by Goldray, which I don't have anything by them either. So that's a new thing. And it is the Svetlana cold shoulder crochet detail dress, I'm assuming. Everything, like its actual name will be listed below, but everything's getting cut off over there, so that's just what I'm reading from. It is in black and it is size small. And I absolutely love this dress. This is either a good date night dress or even like a cocktail. We'll go there. Like an evening dress. I mean, not like ball gown type events, but you know what I mean. So, all 5 items together, $2.90, which really for all that, I'm kind of surprised. It's $2.90, buy all 5 discount, 25% off. That takes off $72.50, and that comes to a total of $217.50 because I have the styling pass. $217.50 for all of that. That works for me. That sounds amazing. I'm really happy with this fix. I'm very excited that this box was not a bust. Embroidery does an amazing job at getting me. I am so grateful. I actually had, this is a little bit of a tangent, but I actually had a dream a few weeks ago where I got my box and it wasn't Embroidery as my stylist anymore because she had left the company, and I literally woke up crying. So Embroidery, when you watch this, please don't leave. And if you do, let me know ahead of time because I will literally cry. I did it in a dream and out of it. But that's it for this Stitch Fix video. Let me know your favorite item. I don't care what your least favorite item is because I'm buying them all and they're going on my body, so whatever. But let me know what your favorite item was. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. Also hit that notification bell just in case YouTube feels the need to let you know when I upload a video. But I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys. I feel like I should give Mr. Skull back there a name. Also, if you can't tell, he's sitting on books. It was like the most wonderful thing ever.